Fever.
Fever.
Means high body temperature. She has a fever and feels hot.
She has a fever and feels hot.
Headache.
Headache.
Means pain in the head. My headache won't go away.
My headache won't go away.
Sore throat.
Sore throat.
Means pain in the throat. Drinking hot tea helps my sore throat.
Drinking hot tea helps my sore throat.
Cough.
Cough.
Means a sudden, forceful sound made to clear the throat. He has a bad cough.
He has a bad cough.
Cold.
Cold.
Means a viral infection causing sneezing and a runny nose. I caught a cold yesterday.
I caught a cold yesterday.
Vomiting.
Vomiting.
Means forcefully expelling stomach contents. He felt sick and started vomiting.
He felt sick and started vomiting.
Stomachache.
Stomachache.
Means pain in the stomach. I have a stomachache after eating too much.
I have a stomachache after eating too much.
Nausea.
Nausea.
Means feeling like you might vomit. The smell made her feel nausea.
The smell made her feel nausea.
Fatigue.
Fatigue.
Means extreme tiredness. She feels fatigue after work.
She feels fatigue after work.
Dizziness.
Dizziness.
Means feeling unsteady or lightheaded. Standing up quickly makes me dizzy.
Standing up quickly makes me dizzy.
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
Means frequent loose bowel movements. Spicy food gave him diarrhea.
Spicy food gave him diarrhea.
Constipation.
Constipation.
Means difficulty in passing stool. She needs fiber to avoid constipation.
She needs fiber to avoid constipation.
Allergy.
Allergy.
Means reaction to certain substances. She has an allergy to peanuts.
She has an allergy to peanuts.
Rash.
Rash.
Means red, itchy skin outbreak. A rash appeared after touching the plant.
A rash appeared after touching the plant.
Infection.
Infection.
Means illness caused by bacteria or viruses. He has a chest infection.
He has a chest infection.
Flu.
Flu.
Means a common viral illness. The flu kept him in bed for days.
The flu kept him in bed for days.
Burn.
Burn.
Means injury caused by heat. He got a burn from hot water.
He got a burn from hot water.
Bruise.
Bruise.
Means a dark mark on the skin from an injury. He has a bruise on his knee.
He has a bruise on his knee.
Sty.
Sty.
Means a red, painful bump on the edge of the eyelid. I couldn't open my eye properly because of the sty.
I couldn't open my eye properly because of the sty.
Mouth ulcer.
Mouth ulcer.
Meaning, a small, painful sore inside the mouth. Example, she had trouble eating because of a mouth ulcer.
She had trouble eating because of a mouth ulcer.
Dehydration.
Dehydration.
means lack of water in the body. Drink water to avoid dehydration.
Drink water to avoid dehydration.
Insomnia.
Insomnia
Means difficulty falling asleep. Stress causes her insomnia.
Stress causes her insomnia.
Sneeze.
Sneeze
Means a sudden, involuntary expulsion of air. Dust makes me sneeze.
Dust makes me sneeze.
Asthma.
Asthma
Means breathing difficulty due to narrow airways. Running can trigger asthma attacks.
Running can trigger asthma attacks.
Earache.
Earache
Means pain in the ear. He has an earache from the cold.
He has an earache from the cold.
Toothache.
Toothache
Means pain in a tooth. A toothache means I need a dentist.
A toothache means I need a dentist.
High blood pressure.
High blood pressure
Means increased force of blood against arteries. Stress can raise blood pressure.
Stress can raise blood pressure.
Low blood pressure.
Low blood pressure
Means low force of blood against arteries. Dizziness can mean low blood pressure.
Dizziness can mean low blood pressure.
Heartburn.
Heartburn
Means burning sensation in the chest. Spicy food causes heartburn.
Spicy food causes heartburn.
Indigestion.
Indigestion
Means discomfort after eating. Greasy food causes indigestion.
Greasy food causes indigestion.
Acne.
Acne
Means pimples on the skin. Teenagers often have acne.
Teenagers often have acne.
Backache.
Backache
Means pain in the back. Lifting heavy objects causes backache.
Lifting heavy objects causes backache.
Sunstroke.
Sunstroke
Means illness from too much sun. Stay in the shade to avoid sunstroke.
Stay in the shade to avoid sunstroke.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia
Means lung infection causing breathing difficulty. Pneumonia requires antibiotics.
Pneumonia requires antibiotics.
Epilepsy.
Epilepsy
Means a condition causing seizures. He takes medication for epilepsy.
He takes medication for epilepsy.
Fainting.
Fainting
Means temporary loss of consciousness. She fainted from the heat.
She fainted from the heat.
Lump.
Lump
Means a small swelling under the skin. He found a lump in his neck.
He found a lump in his neck.
Wound.
Wound
Means an injury with skin damage. Clean the wound carefully.
Clean the wound carefully.
Scar.
Scar
Means mark left on the skin after healing. He has a scar from surgery.
He has a scar from surgery.
Acid reflux.
Acid reflux
Means a condition where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. Spicy food gave him acid reflux last night.
Spicy food gave him acid reflux last night.
Sprain.
Sprain.
Means injury to a ligament. I sprained my ankle while running.
I sprained my ankle while running.
Fracture.
Fracture.
Means a broken bone. He has a wrist fracture.
He has a wrist fracture.
Cramps.
Cramps.
Means sudden muscle pain. He had cramps during exercise.
He had cramps during exercise.
Swelling.
Swelling.
Means enlarged area due to injury or infection. His knee shows swelling after falling.
His knee shows swelling after falling.
Itch.
Itch.
Means an uncomfortable feeling on the skin. Mosquito bites make me itch.
Mosquito bites make me itch.
Bleeding.
Bleeding.
Means loss of blood. His finger is bleeding.
His finger is bleeding.
Blister.
Blister.
Means a bubble on the skin with fluid. New shoes caused a blister.
New shoes caused a blister.
Chills.
Chills.
Means feeling cold with shivering. She has chills due to the fever.
She has chills due to the fever.
Congestion.
Congestion.
Means blocked nose or chest. He has nasal congestion.
He has nasal congestion.
Migraine.
Migraine.
Means a severe headache. Bright lights trigger her migraine.
Bright lights trigger her migraine.